Hello, this is Jason Hicks with InDev 140, Java Programming, Final Project Part 1. And for this, I decided to simulate a library, check in and check out for the books. So right here we have the menu, show books, enter new books, change, check in and out, and then 5 update, since I'll be setting it to an SQL server. And we start out with case 1, showing books. Oh, we have no books to show, so we now do enter books. We will enter the title. This is my life. Enter author. I'll just put my name in. Genre. My life is better as a fantasy. So, ASY, that's right. At least, hope it's right. Number of pages, 456. Is there a hardcover version? Yes, but no audio. Okay, so if we show books, this is my life, Jason, genre, all here. I want to change the title though, so I'll hit 3 to change the book info. What entry? Entry 0. I'll want to change the title. And what is the new title? My life. And so if we do show book entries, okay, my life, author Jason Hicks. And so I will now check that out. What would you like? I would like to check out. And entry 0, so yes. Right there. And so if we do show it again, checked in, no. So it's not available. And at this point, all I have left to show is 5, but I'll do that in a second. First, I'll go through the rest of the program, which, again, add row. It's a program of just the enters right here, and that's at the bottom of this page. Case 3 is the changing, so goes through the array, shows the books, and then here's where we set array title, set array author, genre, and that's where you can change it. Step 4, check in and out, much like 3, but you don't have the options, just asks, check in, check out. 5, update, I'll show that in a second. And there's a secret 6 one just to populate the array, fill it in a bit. I'll show that in a second. Enter titles, enter author, enter genre. All the enter infos are right here. And then down, and once we get to the choices of hardcover, audio, and check in and out, I just have a simple 0, 1, return yes or return no. And all this is in string because it was the easiest way to update the SQL server. I didn't have to mess with changing any numbers to strings back and forth where errors can occur, so just all strings right away. And here's the arrays. So this is to show a single book. Right here, here's to show the arrays of all the books. The show check-in, the edit, and check in and out. Anything with output I put on chapter 16 Java. For the individual tasks, this was just connecting, making sure the database would be connected. Add rows right here, because I have an object of library right here with all the getters and setters. This is just storing the individual books. And then the 2 constructors right here, and the array is right here. So there's an object array of the library. And this is this is populate. I will run that right now. And so 6 for populate. Successfully inserted 1, 2, and 3. And for this, the insert values are right here. I insert it directly in, all the data right here. And so if we now check one, show books, right here, our book we originally put in, then Grapes of Wrath, Harry Potter, and then there were none. And so now I will update. I'll first show this. So like, if we go to library, select from books, they're now all in because of populate. And so right there, and I know this isn't the most effective way you should do this, but just for this assignment, I decided to drop the entire database, which I know you shouldn't do, but since we had to use an array for the final project, this was the best way to do it. Otherwise, I would just do the change scripts for the SQL directly, but using an array, this is the best option I could come up with. And create statements, insert into books, and it will just circle through the array. And we will do that now. Wait, I did deselect from, okay, because I can't drop a database while it's being used. So 5, update complete. So if we go back to library, select all books, My Life is there, the book we had and created was there. Yep. And then down here are the set arrays, and then the get information. And that is Final Project Part 1.